Hello everyone and welcome to K Academy and the session number 22 in the TicketsBasket course. In the previous session we have ported our application to .NET 5 and right now we are just going to implement the Swagger. So in this case we have the full documentation for our API and our endpoints. So it's going to be easier for us when we work on the client side or for other developers who want to integrate with our application to see what the available endpoints in this project and what are the data types that they take as parameters or they retrieve back to the client. So to do that, first we have to go to the API project, dependencies, right click and go to manage NuGet packages and here search for Swashbuckle. So here we choose swashbuckle.ASP.NET Core. Okay. And for the Swagger UI as well. Okay. So after that, we have to go to the startup.cs and in the configure services method, here we register the Swagger generation service, this one. And here we configure the middlewares of Swagger, which is use Swagger. And the other one, use Swagger UI. And this is the Swagger UI that generates the HTML, CSS, and the JavaScript code to test our API. So we need to configure the endpoint. So we say swagger.swagger endpoint. So it's /swagger/version1/swagger.json. And the name, you can give it the name you want, like TicketsBasket API version 1.0. Just like that, it is that simple. So let's click start and give it a try to see what we have. Okay, great. So this is the Blazor app. We need to check out the API. This is great. Let's go right now to the swagger/version1/swagger.json. And as you can see, this is the JSON representation of our API documentation or our controller and endpoints. And if we try to go to just /swagger, you'll see right now it automatically redirects us to the default page, which is index.html. And here we can see all our API, like this is the name and the version one, and those are the controllers available, and those are the actions available in each controller. And at the moment we have only one in the user profiles, which is get the user profile and to check the current status of the user if he is an organizer or a normal user, or in the case like he doesn't created his account yet. Or we have this the default one that comes by default with any ASP.NET Core application. So at the moment we have right now this one. So when we move right now to the next steps, we are going to see all the controllers available for us here and all the endpoints. Now the next step is to go ahead and complete the user profiles by creating an organizer and the user account. Like we have registered the user through the Azure Active Directory P2C, but then we will going to complete the business account or the user account. Then we will move to other steps. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and the share button. And thank you, and see you in the next video.